Hi, and welcome to another video on ImagR. Today I will explain you the new DPI feature. Let's go. First we go, as usual, on imag-r.com and upload our image. Next, we will resize it to our needed size. Use the DPI, which you think is the correct value. For the test it doesn't matter what you use. Since there are a lot of dark areas, I will increase the gamma value to 1.9. The test button will only be visible if you have chosen an algorithm. I will use Acacia wood for this image. Now let's click on the download button and you will see the DPI test option. It will open a crop module. Just choose the area you want to test. I will use the eye and a part of the nose, since this is the most important part for me. Click on download and wait until the zip file is downloaded. Extract the zip file and open your laser program. Now import all the files from the folder. Of course you can skip DPI values which are definitely too low, but for this video I will import all of them. On the bottom left of all images is a label with the DPI information, to make sure you know what image has how much DPI. Let's arrange them. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, the speed and power values are perfect for wood. You have to change them according to your laser. Make sure pass-through is enabled in the image layer. Great, now we can start the burn. I will show you now the bottom row in detail. The top row is definitely too low. As you see, for this image I will use 282 DPI, since on 318 DPI I already lose some details in the eye. Now prepare the image in ImagR as before and use 282 DPI. Download it as PNG and burn the image. As you see, the image turned out perfect. Of course you have to know the correct distance from your lens to your material, but we showed that in another video. Click on the video in the top right corner to check out the ramp test to get this information. I hope you like the feature. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Also feel free to write any questions etc. in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.